We have seen how data science can be applied across different sectors. Let's now take a look at the various challenges that a data scientist faces in the real world while dealing with data sets. Data quality. The quality of data is mostly not up to the set standards. You will usually come across data that is inconsistent, inaccurate, incomplete, not in the desirable format, and with anomalies. Integration. Data integration with several enterprise applications and systems is a complex and painstaking task. Unified platform. Data is distributed to Hadoop Distributed File System, or HDFS, from various sources to ingest, process, analyze, and visualize huge datasets. The size of these Hadoop clusters can vary from few nodes to 1,000 nodes. The challenge is to perform analytics on these large datasets efficiently and effectively. This is where Python comes into play with its powerful set of libraries, functions, modules, packages, and extensions. Python can efficiently tackle each stage of data analytics that includes data acquisition. Python libraries such as Scrappy comes handy here. Data wrangling. Python data frames are very efficient in handling large datasets and makes data wrangling easier with its powerful functions. Explore. Matplotlib libraries are very rich when it comes to data exploration. Model. Scikit learns statistical and mathematical functions to help to build models for machine learning. Visualization. Modern libraries such as Voca creates very intuitive and interactive visualization. Its huge set of libraries and functions make big data analytics seem easy and hence solves the bigger problem. Python applications and programs are portable and helps them scale out on any big data platform. Python is an open-source programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more effectively. Now that we have talked about how the Python libraries help the different stages of data analytics, let's take a closer look at these libraries and how they support different aspects of data science. NumPy, or Numerical Python, is the fundamental package for scientific computing. SciPy is the core of scientific computing libraries and provides many user-friendly and efficiently designed numerical routines. Matplotlib is a Python 2D plotting library which produces publication-quality figures in a variety of hard copy formats and interactive environments across platforms. Scikit-learn is built on NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib for data mining and data analysis. Pandas is a library providing high-performance, easy-to-use data structures and data analysis tools for Python. All these libraries, modules, and packages are open source, and hence using them is convenient and easy. There are numerous factors which positions Python well and makes it the tool for data science. Python is easy to learn. It's a general-purpose, function, and object-oriented programming language. As Python is an open-source programming language, it is readily available, easy to install, and get started. It also has a large presence of open-source community for software development and support. Python and its tools enjoy multi-platform support. Applications developed with PyCon integrate easily with other enterprise systems and applications. There are a lot of tools, platforms, and products in the market from different vendors, as they offer great support and services. Python and its libraries create unique combinations for data science. Because of all these benefits, it's usually popular among academicians, mathematicians, statisticians, and technologists. Python is supported by well-established data platforms and processing frameworks that help it analyze data in a simple and efficient way. Enterprise Big Data Platform. Cloudera is the pioneer in providing enterprise-ready Hadoop Big Data Platform and supports Python. Hortonworks is another Hadoop Big Data Platform provider and supports Python. MapReduce, MapR is also committed to Python and provides the Hadoop Big Data Platform. Big Data Processing Framework. MapReduce, Spark, and Flink provides very robust and unique data processing framework and support Python. Java, Scala, and Python languages are used for big data processing framework. Let us now quickly recap what we have learned in the lesson. Data science is a discipline which combines aspects of statistics, mathematics, programming, and domain expertise. Data scientists are solving bigger problems in public and private sectors. There are a lot of data sets available for free to apply data science and turn them into data services and data products. Data scientists are more in demand with the evolution of big data and fast real-time analytics. Python is a powerful language and a preferred tool for data science. This concludes the lesson on data science overview. In the next lesson, we will discuss data analytics.